and my dear friends.
We are students of class 9 are here to represent few activities within STEM week.
To begin with, did you know the volume of cone and the volume of cylinder? And did you know an interesting thing that the cylinder's volume is 1/3 of the cone's volume? So to prove that, I would like to call my dear friends Manya and Raima, who will show their amazing activity for us. So here we have two 3D shapes, a cone and a cylinder. The height and the base radius of cone and cylinder are equal. So we can say that the dimensions of both the shapes are equal. She'll fill the cone with water. And now she'll pour the water into the cylinder for the very first time. Let's do it again. Fill the cone. And pour into the cylinder for the second time. Still, it is not full. Now she'll fill the cone third time. And pour again. Now the cylinder is full. What does this tell us? It tells us that 3 cones of water are needed to fill one cylinder, but only when both have the same height and the same base radius, which means that their dimensions are equal. So mathematically, we can say that if the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, then the volume of cone will be 1/3 of pi r square h.
In addition, someone remembered that algebraic identity a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. This expression a plus b multiplied by a minus b is a fundamental algebraic identity, often called the difference of squares. This identity can be used to solve various problems, including simplification, expression, factoring, and evaluating numerical expressions. This identity a plus b multiplied by a minus b equal to a square minus b square is a powerful idea in algebra, providing a shortcut for calculation and simplifying complex expressions. Now we move to the second activity.
So we have 3D shapes, a cone. So first of all, here you can see a square which represents the area A square because its sides of length A. Inside this, we have a small square of side B, which means the area is B square. So the area of the remaining part is A square minus B square. Now the interesting part begins. We will cut this remaining shape in 2 trapeziums. So as you can see that there are 2 trapeziums within this square. And it is the remaining area left after we remove from B square from A square. And when we rearrange them, they form a rectangle. We know that the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So the area of rectangle has length A plus B, and breadth is A minus B. The area of our previous shape was A square minus B square. And when we rearrange it, then its area becomes A plus B into A minus B. And because both shapes are made of the same pieces, their area must be equal. That's why we can say A square minus B square is equals to A plus B and A minus B.
These 2 models show how maths is not boring, it's interesting. Whether it's the identity a square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b, or how 3 cones fill one cylinder. Using shapes make learning fun, practical and easy to remember. Maths come alive through models. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.